All right, what is up, everybody? Hopefully, you guys can hear me okay. So, we're back at it. Oops, cap. Let's see here. US30 and NAS100. It is kind of pushing up here a little bit too much with US30. I have a hard time buying the fucking top here with this one. I don't know. US30 and both NAS100. It's gonna be really hard. I mean, these ones. US30 one from 25. Basically 343. It's up almost 100 points. 35 or 25, 345, 25. Yeah, it's like 100 fucking points. Both these ran up over 100 points over the past 45 minutes. So it's going to be really hard to kind of chase these ones. If I do, they're going to be kind of scalps here. Hmm. Might have to be patient here with these, both of these. So, because there's really next, basically, well, the next peak area is basically right here. So, I mean, she is testing a resistance area next run. Next form of resistance area. So, I mean, there are a couple. It's actually testing right here. So, I mean, it does have a little bit more room to pop. And then NAS100. We are approaching some previous resistance areas. So, I mean, they both have room to run a little bit here still, but it's kind of more on the fucking risky side. So, definitely more on the risky side. But it is Money Monday, so we, want to get that bread. A lot of people didn't trade, obviously, last week, yet alone. A lot of people didn't trade last week, yet alone Friday. So, might be watching more of the 5-minute chart versus the 15-minute chart. So, watching for a break over the high here. So, both of these, looking for the opening range breakout. If it turns into scalp, it turns into a scalp. So fuck it, you know. But yeah, about 15 minutes to the market open. So, yeah, gonna kind of be patient here till we send the signal. So, market red. So US30 NAS100, obviously you go out to Forex Factory here. Today is January 5th, so we have news at 9 a.m. for ISM manufacturing PMI with US dollar. That's about it. And then we have, we did. The market's gonna be interesting because we did Venezuela kind of go in there and basically take over, steal their oil, capture their president. He said fuck you to everything and everyone. We just did what we want. So that's something I'm playing a big part, taking that into effect as well. Isn't that kind of crazy what happened like with Venezuela? You think about it, like I don't know. I don't know what your political beliefs are, but it's like, like Happy New Year's, fuck you guys, we're stealing your president and taking your oil. So I don't know. I don't like to get into politics because people never see eye to eye with things. But I know this that the world is full of bullies, so people just do what they want, I guess. Um. So yeah, let's see. News on Tuesday, CPI. Let's see. Wednesday, ADP, non-farm employment change, JOLTS, job opening, CPI. So, I mean, not really super crazy with news this week. So, not really super crazy with news this week. US30 is pulling back here kind of nice, which is really what I want. See with the NAS100, I kind of want to see both these pull back kind of nice here. That's what I want to see them. The better they pull back, the better the setup we'll have. So they pull back, they will close out of this. And then keep the Telegram signals group open. As always, I'm sending signals here in Telegram. Tell everybody exactly where I'm looking to buy. Followed by my areas of take profit, stop loss, the whole kit and caboodle here. So want to see US30 and NAS100 pull back here. We got about 12 minutes till the market opens. As always, make sure you guys like, subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. We should easily be able to hit 50 likes. NAS100 breaking over the high day here already. So NAS100 is ripping over the high day. It's kind of sucks, but it is what it is. US30 pulling back nice here. So US30, gonna kind of watch it bring it down a little bit more. Where I'm gonna watch my entry. So one goes down. Usually one goes down, one goes up, but we'll see what the market gives us. As always, we're gonna respect our stop loss, respect our rules, not be greedy. Also, make sure you guys click the link below this video. You sign up with my referral link, my referral for Gates FX. You guys get a 100% deposit matching bonus. You actually use your credit card now, which is pretty cool. So you'll eventually be able to withdraw your profits the same way with a credit card, debit card. NAS100 really pushing up here, man, over these highs. US30 is pulling back kind of nice here, but we're still watching this one here. Let's see, US30. 10 minutes of the market open, so a lot could still happen in 10 minutes. A lot could still happen in 10 minutes, so don't underestimate the market here. So, what is gold doing? Always like to look at gold. BTC, XAU, US dollar. Gold pushed up really nice here. Doing the 15-minute chart. Yeah, gold took off running nice here. 400. Yeah, 20 points. That's pretty good. So, US30 trying to push back up. Might be a strong runner day. Yeah, like I said, Barry, the bonus match is great. The debit credit card is nice. You can't go wrong with either or. So, last year I withdrew over 500,000 from Gates. Not a fucking single issue. Not a single issue. So people could talk all the shit they want. I had this issue. It's like you had issue with $20 because you probably put in the wrong BTC edges or something. So yeah, NAS100. I think just with the news, I think it could be a strong day. So, dude, I'm just trying to capture between my 1,000 to 5,000 goal every day. My goal is between 1,000 to 5,000. You know, if I make $1,000 a day, which is very easy for me to do, that's just 5 days a week, $5,000 a week. So that's 20,000 a month. That's life-changing money. You know, who wouldn't want an extra $1,000 a month? You see what I'm saying? Or extra $20,000 a month. So US30 pulling back kind of nice here again. So we're putting the signal here in the Telegram group. So 495, 48510. So we got our area we're looking to buy US30. Next is NAS100. NAS100 pulling kind of back here. So and then NAS100, we know we're buying this one. Both are going to be kind of on the risky side, so I will have to tell people this, that they are both more on the risky side. You gotta treat them as scalps if you have to. If you gotta treat them as scalps, you gotta treat them as scalps, you know. And obviously we don't want to take a trade as a scalp, but sometimes the trade becomes a scalp. You know, that's what I try to tell people. You know, they're like, oh, you scalped that trade. No, I didn't want it to be a scalp. I managed a trade. And if I got to manage a trade and the trade that I managed becomes a scalp, that's a whole nother different story. You see what I'm saying? So, put a pending order out there. It's pulling back like 20 points with US30. So, NAS100 basically doing the same, pulling back here. Which I'm, like I said, I'm fine with both of them pulling back here. So, about 5 minutes, 6 minutes of the bell rings here. NAS100 trying to push back up. NAS100 trying to push back up here. She might turn into a runner, hopefully. NAS100. So both US30 and NAS100. US30. US30 is pushing up nice here. Let's see if we can break over this high a day here. US30 is pushing back up here over the high a day. She's almost at my take profit 1. So US30 is almost at my take profit 1 here. Let's see if we keep going. NAS100 pushing up nice as well. We do have about, like I said, 5 minutes of the bell rings. It's kind of fucking cool. NAS100 still pushing up nice here as well. NAS100 almost at my take profit 1 as well. NAS100. See if we can get TP1 with NAS100 already. As always, make sure you guys, dude, just hit that like button. Just hit the like button. Don't be lame. I know you want to touch it. I know you want to push it. We're at 30 likes so far. NAS100 almost at take profit 1. She's pushing. NAS100 pushing nice here. US30 kind of just chilling. We've got about 3 minutes to the bell rings. Again, make sure you guys hit the like button. Come on, you're at 35 fucking likes. Just, dude, I'm gonna spam this fucking chat. I'm gonna start. Do I gotta give away, like, what do I gotta do? Give money away? I gotta give you guys money away for fucking Starbucks? Yo, does anyone get like Starbucks here? I'm gonna start giving Starbucks away. I'm gonna go get I'm gonna get a cold brew here in a little bit with a banana fucking protein cold foam or some shit like that. I don't know what that is. So NAS100 kind of peeking out here. US30 is pulling back. Let's see if US30 can kind of rip up here. NAS100 still trying to push up. US30 testing this previous zone area. About 2 minutes to the bell rings. Thanks for doing this again. I do it because I want to enjoy it. I trade every day as it is, so why not fucking just jump on this bitch, you know? So NAS100 pulling back here a little bit. US30. It's like I said, it's gonna be an interesting day. NAS100 pulled back a lot, so yeah, it's crazy wicks. It's one of those things where it's like you have to put your stop loss right away to like break even or small profit if you have it. So NAS100. See, the market's about to open here in like 45 seconds. There goes NAS100. NAS100 at take profit 1. NAS100 just hit our TP1. NAS100 almost at our TP2. NAS100 almost at our TP2. Market, it's faking people out, dude. That's rough. NAS100 almost at our TP2. Market's about to open here in 10 seconds. Volume, a lot of selling volume coming with US30, but a lot of buying volume coming with NAS100. Market's open here now. US30. That was a fucking weird lag. Dude, NAS100's at take profit 1, 2, 3. NAS100 confirmed. Take profit 1, 2, and 3. US30 running fucking here. US30s are take profit 1, 2, and 3. US30s are take profit 1, 2, and 3. Confirmed in the chat. Taking a screenshot. I'm up fucking $9,800. Holy shit, I'm up 12 grand, 13 grand. I'm gonna trim some off here. I'm gonna trim some off, up 16 grand. We're running, bitch. We're running. I'm gonna trim some off here. I'm gonna trim off half. Because people will be like, oh, you're trading on a demo account. I'll show you guys this. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're running. We're up 15 grand. Look at US30 go to the moon. To the moon. To the moon. Oh my god. Look at that. Let's grab that stop loss and bring that all the way up. Boom. Confirm. Voila. See, dude, again, this is easy for me. We're about to get stopped out here, which is fine. This is just beyond, like, fucking easy for me. Let it just keep going. Fuck it. Take off running. Let's go over 20 grand. Let's go over 20 grand. Let's keep running, shall we? Bring that all the way up to about, let's get stopped out for $19,000, shall we? Goodbye. Done. Boom. Bag secured. There you go. NAS100 popped, dropped. US30 took off running. That's it. We done. We done. We done. We done. Easy peasy. Nice and easy. Done in 2-3 minutes. And total profit on the day, $29,230. Just be patient with me. I am going to do this. Oops. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. 1 second here. Delete my total account balance amount because I don't want people to try and rob me, but you probably, well, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm probably a better shot when it comes to shooting guns than everybody in this Discord combined, or fucking YouTube. And so there you go. Boom, boom, boom. And obviously we have the free Discord group, so if people want to join that, go ahead, feel free to. Yada 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 yada. So I actually gotta pull this up here. Done in 2 minutes live on YouTube. So here you guys go. Boom. Oops. So right there, boom. $29,230. Ah, fuck. Bro, US30 is still running here, bro. US30 is still fucking running. Unbelievable. Unbelievable how it's still running. Still running. NAS100 was quick. That was a quick one, but perfect signals this morning. Please post your profits in the Discord. So we're gonna copy this. What? I think I'm going to be done here. Dude, this is easy for me every day. Every day. Every day. It's literally like a fucking piece of cake. Every day. So try to tell people, like, dude, it's just it's so easy for me. It's just so easy. So what the fuck? US30 still running, man. Do I think I should have trim some off? No. I don't. I didn't need to. So I don't feel like I needed to trim some off. So here we are. What you guys will see here is that little green. This is where I bought point. So I bought 2 lots at 48, 465.95, followed by I sold 1 lot, 1 lot. So I basically scaled it out. She's still running, but live account. So, yep. Like I said, I have probably could have left a run. I probably could have left a little run around, like maybe 0.25 lots, but I don't know, man. I didn't need to. Fuck it, just nail and bail, dude. Done, easy. So, but man, make sure you guys post your trades in Discord, dude. Just Discord's free. I don't charge for that shit. I get pissed off with it all the time. I'm not gonna lie. I get pissed off with Discord all the time. People in the Discord will vouch. They'll be like, "Yeah, dude, he gets like annoyed with it real fast." But I'm like that with everything. My mom will tell me, she's like, "You bitch and complain about everything." She's like, "You be like your lobster's too buttery and your steak is too juicy." I'm like, "Well, it is." She's like, "I never knew you wanted that bitch and complain so much, but I do. I just bitch and complain about everything, dude. So it is what it is." So I bitch and complain about everything. I'll be at church and I bitch and complain. Like, why is this so like loud in here? Like everything. Dude, it doesn't matter what it is. I will bitch and complain. I will find a way to bitch and complain about it. So literally, I'd be in first class flying somewhere. I'm bitching and complaining about everything. Man, US30 still fucking running strong here, dude. Oh my god, dude. That's insane. We're up over 400 fucking points. I probably could have left a See, but we can get moves like this all the time. Well, not 400 points in a matter of 15 minutes, but we did hit 50 likes, so that's kind of nice. NAS100, man, popped, hit our take profit 1, 2, and 3, and then she just dumped. She said, "Nope, not today." So I'll put the Discord link for you guys here in the chat. Can I mention everybody? No. Maybe go like that. There you go. People want to join it. Like I said, it's free. We just have the Telegram signals group, which is what we charge for. That's it. To get the real-time live signals throughout the day. So, and I'll show you guys this as well, so you guys could see that where I was basically telling people to buy. So you can see the signals right here. I said buying US30 at 48, 464, 68, which is basically all the way down here. And then yeah, all areas that take profit hit 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I gotta take this call. All right, dudes, we're gonna call it here. I'm gonna go to Starbucks, grab something to drink. Thanks for tuning in today. Any questions? Yeah, you're a funny dude to listen to with amazing lyrics. Thanks, man. I appreciate that, Alan. So we're gonna call it here. Cheers.